How to create an assistant on BlueGPT. In order to do that, you can head over to a new chat and click on this AI assistant. Alternatively, you can also click on this AI assistant right here on your left sidebar, and it will show you to the face right here, where you can see all the experts or assistant that you can choose. But for this case, let's head over and create assistant by clicking on this button. Now in here, let's head over and create in here a movie critic assistant, and you can also make in here, upload here a picture of that. For this one, let's put in here a description. So description is a movie critic. And on the instruction, let's say something like critic the movies or shows that I will sell. You can also say something like tell me the things it needs improvement. So you can say something like that. And then you can also put in here a message and also conversation starters. So you can also put that, and after that, click on this create assistant, and as you can see, assistant has been created successfully. Now we have in here our assistant, which is a movie critic. So let's put in here something like Titanic. And then as you can see, Titanic is directed by this person. And then we have in here the facing, lengthy runtime, it says. And we also have a character development. They are well developed and also has some supporting characters, historical accuracies, dramatization, and certain historical elements were altered, and some cliche dialogues, special effects, focus on class issues, and endings. Iconic is polarizing. So you can head over and then just use in here and create an assistant of your own. So that's how I create an assistant on BlueGPT. If we help,